Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox backgrounds. Many players want to personalize their Roblox experience, and changing backgrounds is a popular way to do that. We will cover the built-in options for your profile and then dive into how external tools can transform the entire website's look. It's a fun way to make your Roblox environment truly your own, adding a touch of personal flair to your gaming world. To personalize your Roblox profile, head to your profile page. You'll find options to adjust the background color behind your avatar. While you cannot upload a custom image directly here, you can select from a variety of preset colors to give your profile a distinct look. This simple step allows for a touch of individuality, making your profile stand out to your friends and other players. When it comes to changing the background of the entire Roblox website, it's important to know that Roblox itself does not provide a direct feature for this. However, the community has developed clever solutions. Many users turn to browser extensions, which are small programs that add new features to your web browser. These tools are key to unlocking extensive visual customization for the Roblox website. To use browser extensions, first, install one from your browser's web store, such as Stylish. Once installed, you can browse through a vast collection of user-created Roblox themes. Select a theme that catches your eye, and with just one click, it will instantly transform the Roblox website's background and overall appearance. You have full control to enable, disable, or switch themes whenever you wish, offering endless customization possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.